Hey, San Marcos. If Drew Brees and CarShield trust us, why shouldn't you? Check this video out.
Anytime you're in a mechanic shop can feel like a nightmare.
If your car is out of warranty, your repair bills are guaranteed to be sky high.
When it comes to our family and our car, I like to be prepared. And here to help us out is the owner of this shop, Victor. Why does it take so long to get an appointment to get your car fixed?
Everybody's fixing their cars. Nobody's buying cars. It's harder to get parts nowadays. You got special computers, you got a special order in the supply chain.
It seems like the days of the mechanics are over and it really takes a technician.
There's not a lot of technicians out there who know what they're doing, who went to school, who studied programming, software, and wiring.
What are the parts of the cars that are so expensive to fix?
Right now, transmissions, engines are super expensive.
CarShield has covered more than 3 million vehicles and paid out over $1 billion in claims. Their month-to-month plans offer benefits that don't expire, like 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options. Call today for a free quote and lock in your rate for the entire time you drive. Call 800-709-9677.
I'm looking around and I'm seeing all of these cars up on lists. Can you tell me how much each of these repairs are going to be?
I'll give you an example. This car right here, we're doing a $7,000 repair.
So what happens with these cars if these individuals don't have coverage? What happens with their car? What happens with their life?
They're going to have to pay out of pocket, and if they don't have the money, they can't get to work, they can't get to school, they can't get back home.
Why do manufacturers put a limit on the number of miles that they'll cover?
They know at 40,000 miles it's going to start breaking down.
So with all of these things basically stacked against you, we know things are going to break down. What does coverage actually do to help you out?
A car repair is a domino effect. It will affect every area of your day. It could be expensive, it can put you in debt. It's not a pretty thing.
So CarShield really can make a difference for drivers.
Definitely, they'll help get you back on the road in no time.
Call CarShield today to get your free quote and lock in your monthly rate for the entire time they cover your car. Call 800-709-9677. 800-709-9677. 800